So now I'm going to go into one of our databases and I'm going to do a search for my topic, which is racism and incarceration. I'm going to look at the Criminology and Justice Studies recommended databases and click on the sociological abstracts. And here I'm just going to start out by searching just the word incarceration. So I'm just going to type that in, click search, and I get 13,000 results. It's quite a few. Let's see what happens if I change that to just searching for the term racism. Now I get 47,000, that's quite a bit. So, but what I want though are just articles about incarceration and racism. So I want each article to have both of those terms in it. And now I have 2,700 results. And so that's a pretty big difference. One of the things though to keep in mind is that some authors might use different terms. So maybe some articles use the word prison instead. So I can search incarceration or prison. And that's how you can use the and or search operators and combine them to do your searching.